work today with sun upon my back. The sweat and toil, the simple joy of keeping life on track. With every seed a promise made to harvest in the fall. A farmer's life, a humble path, yet richest of them all. By the market square I sold my wares, the fruits of labor's love. With laughter bright and coins delight beneath the sky above. Each smile a trade, each deal a joy in bustling town so fair. A baker's day, a simple way with sweet scents in the air. At the blacksmith's forge I toiled away with hammer, fire and steel. The sparks of red, the glowing blade, the anvil's ringing peal. With each strike a promise, each temper a tale of craft in heat's embrace. A blacksmith's art, a labor of love in every sword I place. Oh, the days we've seen, the tales we've spun beneath this tavern's roof. With laughter, tears and comrades dear, we've shared our living proof. In this haven bright, each candlelight, our hearts and voices raise to the lives we lead and the paths we tread in these simple fleeting days. In the healer's hut I worked with herbs to mend the broken hearts. The wounds of war, the scars of pain from lives torn apart. A mother wept, a child was lost to battles fought and won. I held her close and whispered soft, her grieving had begun. In the blacksmith's forge I toiled a day with fire's bitter sting. The hammers fall, the anvil's call, a never-ending ring. Yet in the smoke I saw her face, my lover's gone away. Each strike a tear, each spark a hope, she might return someday. In the meadows green I danced and sang with flowers in my hair. The birds did sing, the brook did laugh in springtime's gentle air. With every step a heart beats joy, with every twirl delight. In nature's arms I found my peace, in day's embrace so bright. Oh, the days we've seen, the tales we've spun beneath this tavern's roof. With laughter, tears and comrades dear, we've shared our living proof. In this haven bright, each candlelight, our hearts and voices raise to the lives we lead and the paths we tread in these simple fleeting days. By the castle gate I stood on guard in armor cold and gray. With watchful eyes and weary heart I counted every day. A letter came from lands afar, my brother's fate was sealed. A hero's end, a warrior's fall upon the battlefield. In the scholar's nook I read by light of candles' gentle flame. The ancient tomes, the stories old of those who carved their name. With every page I felt their lives, their struggles and their dreams. In quiet contemplation I walked their timeless strip. Oh, the days we've seen, the tales we spun beneath this tavern's roof. With laughter, tears and comrades dear, we've shared our living proof. In this haven bright, each candlelight, our hearts and voices raise to the lives we lead and the paths we tread in these simple fleeting days. In the church's pews I knelt and prayed for peace within my soul. The weight of loss, the ache of grief, a burden hard to toll. With whispered hymns I sought the light in stained glass colors worn, to guide me through the darkest nights and keep me safe from harm. In the village square I saw the cart with famine's cruel decree. The empty bowls, the hollow eyes of hunger's misery. We shared what little we had left with neighbors in despair. Our hands were clasped, our spirits low, in silent earnest prayer. By the river bank I laid my head on grass so soft and green. The lullaby of water song, the peace of nature's scene. With every breath I felt the pain of love that slipped away. But in the flow of time and tide, I found the strength to stay. Oh, the days we've seen, the tales we've spun beneath this tavern's roof. With laughter, tears, and comrades here, we've shared our living proof. And in this haven bright, neath candlelight, our hearts and voices raise to the lives we lead and the paths we tread in these simple fleeting days. At the festival, I laughed and danced with friends both old and new. The music's beat, the fire's heat, beneath the sky so blue. With every cheer, a bond was made, with every step delight. In the heart of our small village, we celebrated life. In the cobbler shop, I stitched away with leather thread and all. Each shoe a story, each pair a life, from summer through to fall. Yet as I worked, I thought of him, my son who went to war. With every stitch, a prayer was said to bring him home once more. Behind the bar I pour the ale and listen to your tales. With every drink, a story shared, from mountains to the vales. I've seen the joy, the sorrow too, within this humble place. A bar keeps life, a witness to the smiles on every face. Oh, the days we've seen, the tales we spun beneath this tavern's roof. With laughter, tears, and comrades dear, we shared our living proof. And in this haven bright, neath candlelight, our hearts and voices raise to the lives we lead and the paths we tread in these simple fleeting days.
Lead box sealed, a heavy air. Let's open it, says the rogue, no care. A blackened heart, it beats, it hums. The warlock grins, what's the worst to come? A herb shop, deal potions and more. Trade the heart, ignore folklore. Discovery's fun, says the rogue with glee, while the plant grows dark, withered leaves. Curiosity sings, but danger hums. Every choice a risk, where chaos drums. It's fine, we're fine, they all decree, while shadows laugh in their revelry. Touch it, wear it, what's the harm? Risks a thrill, it's part of the charm. Blades and bracers, hearts and more. Adventure's a game, we'll settle the score. Vines consume the herbalist shop, a writhing mass, no way to stop. Lay on hands, the paladins plea, but undeath wins, the soul breaks free. To Blackstaff Tower, cursed bracers sent, scholars warn, these are malevolent. Yet the warlock smirks, his pack complete. To the pits, it is time to compete. Touch it, wear it, what's the harm? Risks a thrill, it's part of the charm. Blades and bracers, hearts and more. Adventure's a game, we'll settle the score. Boos loud, the fight's too quick. The bracers hum, their hunger sick. 6 seconds pass, the blood depletes. The warlock stands, his victory sweet. The paladin steps, his voice a roar. These cursed things will kill us more. No victory's worth the cost you bear. This ends now, I swear, I swear. The bracers laugh, your heart are told. The paladin shouts, we'll cleanse your soul. His arms are lost, but did I die? He shrugs the cost. What lies ahead? What traps remain? The reckless march, heedless of pain. For risk is life, their creed, their spree. And folly's tales make legacy. The road unwinds, no lessons learned. Curiosity's fire forever burns. A fleeting glance, a daring grin. They'll touch it all and let fate begin. shadows bend. Time slows down yet doesn't end. Ranger's step feels light and swift, while the road moves through the temporal rift. The others freeze like statues still, trapped in time's unbending will. What if, they ask, we turned around? Will we still be lost or never found?
What if time's a loop, an endless ring? Will we face ourselves, hear the echoes sing?
The blue obelisk, a man appears, the doctor spinning tales of years. The past, the future, all collide. Step in quick, let's take a ride. Wibbly wobbly, time's a twist. Forward, backward, what's been missed?
Did we start it all or end it soon? Did the sun chase night or follow moon?
A lich waits there with power to claim, but is he real or just a name?
What if we close the portal's door?
Will the future break or be no more? Will time undo? Will time replay? Will tomorrow live in yesterday? On the tunnel, through the night, frozen figures to the left and right. They move ahead as time unwinds, and hear the doctor's tangled lines. Step here, step there, and break the flow. Which path's the past, which way to go? What if they never open the door? Will we meet ourselves once more?
What if the lich was never real? Would timelines break or would they heal?
The obelisk opens, the future's near, yet the past we see is crystal clear. The doctor smiles, his eyes aglow. You started this, now stop the show. Wibbly wobbly, time's a twist. Forward, backward, what's been missed?
Did we start it all or end it soon? Did the sun chase night or follow moon?
A lich waits there with power to claim, but is he real or just a name?
What if we close the portal's door?
Will the future break or be no more? Will time undo? Will time replay? Will tomorrow live in yesterday? We see ourselves, our future fate, standing there at the portal's gate. We broke the door, we split the line. Now we're trapped between space and time. The doctor laughs, you've done it now. Undo the past if you know how. If the past and future blur, will timelines crash or just recur?
Can we stop what's already been? Or do we fight what we've not yet seen?
Wibbly wobbly, time's a twist. Forward, backward, what's been missed?
Did we start it all or end it soon? Did the sun chase night or follow moon?
Time bends, it cracks, it spins away. Did we mend it or lead astray? The doctor's gone, the lich in sight. We chase the past to set it right.
Yet as we run, the echoes grow.
Futures twist in the undertow. The shadows stretch, the timelines tear. Will we escape or stay insane?
A step ahead, another fracture. Causality, our final rapture.
Past meets future, threads unwind. Still we chase the course of time.
What if the tear we never heal? Would we vanish and still feel real? Or would we fade like fleeting light? Just echoes lost within the night.
Time bends, it cracks, it slips away.
Melody, our final rapture.
And chasing past, we forge our fate. The future waits, are we too late? Through endless loops, we fight, we climb, forever lost in the